Lesson 15, Horizontal Joins. The letters F, O, R, T, V and W always join by using an anti-clockwise shallow garland along the red line. This is the movement that's required to join from F, O, R, T, V and W. F, move out to the top of the O, out to the top of the R. T, now crossing off the crossbar using a garland. V, another garland. W, and finish with the garland to the red line. This is the horizontal crossbar. It's keeping all the information on the red line. So it's going to be very easy to decipher this and make it extremely legible. Practice the triple O pattern, staying close to the red line, with spacing strokes and no loops inside the O's. So this is starting with an upstroke to the red line, the O, a horizontal join, an O, a horizontal join, an O, and a horizontal join to the red line. This is a pattern that you can make into a doodle, separating it more if you like, and making it into an exercise of expansion as well as an exercise in horizontal joining. Writing the word book in the smaller size now. This is a tracing exercise starting on the red dot. I'm going up to make B. We'll have a horizontal join to O, horizontal join to O, and horizontal, and then up to a loop, make the K and finish on the red line. Notice the horizontal joins are kept close to the red line. Let's write the word food using the horizontal joins. Start on the red dot. On the upstroke, I'm going up to make F. Now horizontal join to the O, horizontal join to the O, horizontal join to the D, and finish up on the red line. Keep the horizontal joins as close as possible to the red line.